The confirmed number of coronavirus cases in Los Angeles County comes to 235,499. The confirmed number of deaths reaches 5,663. Here in Torrance, the total number of confirmed cases is 1,262, with total confirmed deaths at 64. We anticipate the local numbers to be changing a little later today. Welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm Ben McCain. It's 4 p.m. on Thursday, August 27th. A rapid COVID-19 test that is cost-effective was approved by the Federal Drug Administration this week. The self-contained test from Abbott Laboratories is the size of a credit card and will sell for only $5. The company announced the FDA issued an emergency use authorization for its Binex Now COVID-19 AG card rapid test for detection of COVID-19. Company officials say it's highly portable, affordable, and will give you results in 15 minutes. It doesn't require any equipment, and the device will be an important tool to manage risk by quickly identifying infectious people so they don't spread the disease to others. Abbott will also launch a complimentary mobile app for iPhone and Android devices named Navica, the first of its kind app that is free and will allow people who test negative to display a temporary digital health pass that is renewed each time a person is tested through their healthcare provider together with the date of the test result. It uses the same technology as rapid strep and flu test. It will require a nasal swab by a healthcare worker that can be inserted into the card with a few drops of a chemical solution. FDA did say, though, this test may need to be confirmed with a lab test, as rapid tests are less accurate. A new tool is helping people make sure their ballot is accounted for. State officials have created a Where's My Ballot tab on the California Secretary of State website. With many people anxious about whether their ballot will get lost and with the pandemic affecting many services, a new tool allows people to follow their ballot step by step after placing it in the mailbox, making sure it was received by county officials. People will receive real-time updates of exactly where the ballot is. Ballots will start to arrive to all registered voters by mail starting in October. If you send your vote by mail, be sure to sign the ballot and the envelope that you receive so it doesn't get voided. In California, a ballot that is postmarked on or before Election Day is allowed to be counted. This year, the grace period has been extended even after your vote arrives 17 days after the election if you cast it no later than November 3rd. You can track your ballot at vote.ca.gov. Los Angeles County health officials are making sure businesses are equipped with the right resources to keep everyone safe. They are encouraging businesses to take advantage of their printable posters online to keep customers and employees safe. The posters share information about health protocols, such as a face covering sign and how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19, to name just a few. The page also offers other resources for various industries. You can find these at publichealth.lacounty.gov. At the recent Los Angeles County Health Department meeting, officials shared the latest population impacted by COVID-19. They shared the recent confirmed cases of COVID-19 among pregnant women. To date, 1,200 pregnant women have tested positive for the virus, and 79% of these women were symptomatic. But 2 who were pregnant passed away from COVID-19, and among the 193 infants tested for the virus at birth, 8 of them tested positive. Officials are saying pregnant women and new mothers need to take extra caution and stay home as much as possible. Bed Bath & Beyond announced it's cutting nearly 3,000 jobs immediately. Today, the company said they plan to reorganize. This will generate future savings of nearly $150 million. They will eliminate rules from across its corporate headquarters and retail stores. Officials say this action is designed to further reduce layers at the corporate level, significantly reposition field operations to better serve customers in a digital-first shopping environment, and much more. Last month, the company also said they will be closing 200 stores. Delta Airlines is stepping up their safety measures. They announced they are adding in-flight hand sanitizing stations. They will have Purell dispensers, up to 5 per flight, depending on the size of the airplane. Airline officials say it will be near the bathrooms and boarding doors in airports. it will make them the first U.S. airline to add them to its planes. Other safety measures they are taking are frequently wiping down high-touch surfaces in lavatories, offering hands-free features already in many lavatories, hand washing reminders, and using electrostatic sprayers before every flight. Amazon opens its first location of its new chain grocery stores in Los Angeles today. The company says the stores will cater to a different set of customers than Whole Foods shoppers. The Amazon Fresh grocery store is in Woodland Hills and will open to the public in the coming weeks. Right now, only customers from the area are invited to check out the new place. The new format will incorporate a blend of its in-store and online shopping while offering people a variety of products at lower price points than Whole Foods. If you're wondering what products they will have, well, officials say featured Amazon brands will be at the store. It will also be the test ground for Amazon's recently launched dash carts that will allow shoppers to check out without waiting in line. Also, they will have kiosks throughout the store with voice-activated Echo Show smart displays. Just a few days ago, we reported the spike in off-campus cases at the University of Southern California. Well, cases are now on campus. 3 students have tested positive for the virus. This came after officials said that athletics have been put on pause due to 8 student athletes contracting the virus off campus. The students are self-isolating off campus and are doing well. Contact tracers will start to reach out to anyone who has been in contact with the students and anyone else who is at risk for exposure to coronavirus. USC officials say the students affected were in the Cal Arani Residence Hall and Century Apartments from Saturday through Wednesday. Popular flavored potato chips are being recalled. Frito-Lay issued a voluntary recall for its bags of Lay's barbecued flavored potato chips because they may contain undeclared milk ingredients. The bags are also included in select Frito-Lay variety packs. People who have an allergy or severe sensitivity to milk run the risk of a serious or life-threatening allergic reaction if they consume the product contained inside the recalled bags. To date, no allergic reactions related to this recall have been reported. If you have the product, you can return to a retailer for a refund. Torrance Police Department is warning residents about a scam in the city. Officials say they have received reports of people impersonating police officers over the phone, telling victims they have warrants and requesting payment. They say if you receive this type of call, contact your local police department. Local law enforcement will never ask you to make a payment over the phone. The outdoor shopping experience at the Del Amo Fashion Center will be around longer. It will continue Friday through the weekend until September 27th. The outdoor marketplace is open in the outdoor village from 1 to 5 p.m. Various stores from the mall set up shop outdoors to offer their products to the public. Brands including Pandora, Macy's, Uniqlo USA, Cotton On, Skechers, and Kate Spade New York, to name a few, are participating. And speaking of the outdoor village, P.F. Chang's now also has alfresco dining at Del Amo. Well, before we go, at the end of each program, we like to share stories from our community, feel-good pictures, images, and videos that remind us all of how resilient our community is and how Torrance cares. A local restaurant continues to give back to local hospitals in the area through its special initiative. El Pollo Inca donated 25 Inca Cares lunches to Torrance Memorial Medical Center. The boxes started during the pandemic to help feed first responders and frontline healthcare workers. They also have served Providence Little Company of Mary Medical Center. What a sweet way to give back. Now, if you have a great story to share, be sure to email us. We'd love to hear from you. That's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. as Leslie Robbins brings you the latest updates. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.